More than 3 decades after one of the most shocking murders in music history, the long awaited criminal trial connected to the killing of rap legend Tupac Shakur is finally set to begin. Starting Monday, the courtroom proceedings are expected to draw worldwide attention as prosecutors and defense attorneys prepare to argue one of the most closely watched criminal cases in entertainment history. Tupac Shakur was one of the most influential artists of the 1990s. His music addressed inequality, poverty, racism, violence, and hope, inspiring millions of fans around the world. With albums selling tens of millions of copies and songs that remain popular today, Tupac's influence extends far beyond hip hop. On September 7, 1996, Tupac was riding in a car with Death Row Records co-founder Suge Knight after attending a Mike Tyson boxing match in Las Vegas. While stopped at a traffic light, another vehicle pulled alongside and multiple shots were fired. Tupac suffered several gunshot wounds and died 6 days later at the age of just 25. For years, the case became one of America's biggest unsolved mysteries. Numerous theories, documentaries, books, and investigations attempted to explain who was responsible. Yet, despite decades of speculation, no one was brought to trial. That changed when Las Vegas police reopened parts of the investigation, leading to the arrest of Duane "Keffe D. Davis. Prosecutors allege that Davis played a key role in the events surrounding the fatal drive-by shooting. Davis has pleaded not guilty, and under the legal system, he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. As the trial begins, prosecutors are expected to present witness testimony, investigative evidence, and statements they believe connect Davis to the crime. The defense, meanwhile, is expected to challenge the credibility of that evidence and argue that the prosecution cannot prove its case beyond a reasonable doubt. Legal experts say the trial could face unique challenges because of the passage of time. Many witnesses may have fading memories, some individuals connected to the original investigation have died, and physical evidence collected decades ago will be carefully scrutinized by both sides. The case has also renewed interest in the intense rivalry between the East Coast and West Coast hip-hop scenes during the 1990s. That period saw rising tensions between artists, record labels, and rival groups, creating an atmosphere that many believe contributed to several high-profile acts of violence, including the deaths of Tupac Shakur and, months later, the notorious B.I.G. For Tupac's family, friends, and longtime fans, the trial represents more than just a legal proceeding. Many hope it may finally provide answers after nearly 30 years of uncertainty. Others believe the case could help clarify historical questions that have surrounded one of music's greatest tragedies. Whatever the final verdict, the courtroom proceedings are expected to be closely followed by media outlets around the world. Every testimony, legal argument, and piece of evidence will likely become headline news. Nearly 3 decades after Tupac Shakur's life was cut short, the search for justice has entered a new chapter. Now the outcome rests with the court, which will examine the evidence and determine whether prosecutors have proven their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Until that verdict is reached, the trial remains one of the most significant legal stories in modern music history.
If you enjoy these daily global news updates and would like to support us, scan the UPI QR code on your screen. It helps us bring you fast and independent updates. Thank you.